Hey everyone, thinking about moving to New York City in 2025? I've got you covered. Today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about housing options and costs. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about neighborhoods. Manhattan's always a classic choice, but it's pricey. Expect to pay around $4,000 a month for a one-bedroom apartment. If you're looking for something more affordable, Brooklyn's the way to go. In areas like Bushwick or Bed-Stuy, rents hover around $2,500. Next, we have Queens. This borough offers a diverse range of neighborhoods. Astoria, for example, has a great vibe with rents around $2,200 for a one-bedroom. And don't forget about Long Island City, which is becoming quite popular. Now let's move to the Bronx. It's often overlooked, but it's got some hidden gems. Neighborhoods like Fordham offer rents as low as $1,800. Finally, there's Staten Island. It's more suburban, and you can find one-bedrooms for around $1,500. Okay, so how do you actually find a place? First, check out websites like StreetEasy, Zillow, and Apartments.com. These platforms give you a ton of options and filters to narrow down your search. Another tip is to join Facebook groups and Reddit threads focused on NYC housing. You can often find sublets and roommate opportunities there, and don't forget about real estate agents. They can help you navigate the complex NYC market, but they usually charge a broker fee, typically around 1 month's rent. So, what's the total cost of moving? Besides rent, you'll need to budget for a security deposit, usually 1 month's rent. Also, consider the cost of moving services, which can range from $300 to $1,500 depending on how much stuff you have and how far you're moving. Public transportation is another expense. A monthly Metro card costs $127, giving you unlimited rides on the subway and buses. Taxis and ride shares are always an option, but they can add up quickly. Don't forget utilities like electricity, heating, and internet. These can total around $150 to $200 per month. Groceries in NYC are a bit pricier too, averaging around $400 a month per person. Alright, so to sum it up, moving to NYC involves picking the right neighborhood, finding a decent apartment, and budgeting for all the extras. Start your search early, use all the resources available, and prepare for some high costs. But trust me, once you're here, it's all worth it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone thinking about making the big move. Catch you in the next one.